Hello friends. The thistle is the national coat of arms of Scotland. It is a symbol of diligence and hard work. It is also a symbol of God's sacrifice. It is believed that thistle has an antidepressant taste. Rock painting is an ideal gift for Hogmanay, the New Year, Burns Night, St. Andrew's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, and Thanksgiving, and also makes ideal gifts for birthdays, weddings, engagements, anniversaries, christenings, and other Scottish special events.
Why so natural that you want to go to war? It's just a simple thing. What am? Honey lamb, come on along. Let me take you by the hand. To the man, who's the leader of the band. And I would like to hear the Swanee River play the right side.
For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com.
Oh my honey, there's a fiddle with notes that screeches like a chicken,
Oh, you chicken.
and the clarinet.
Here's a carrot patch.
Come on and listen,
Sure,
come on and listen
sure.
to a classical band. What teaches come down somehow. Better hurry along. Come on and hear.
I'd like to hear.
Come on and hear.
I'd like to hear.
Alexander's ragtime band. Come on and hear.
Oh, yes, it is.
Come on and hear.
Oh, yes, it is.
It's the
Thank you
best
for watching the
band in
video. Please like and subscribe to my
And to
channel.
play a bugle call like I never heard before.
Why so natural that